Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well and had given a very good examinations of the recent exam that you have taken. Now we have started with a chapter that is directing. And as I said you earlier, directing is a very wide concept, right? And in that we have seen characteristics also, and I had given you work to learn the characteristics. I got only from one student return form of characteristics, right? So that is your choice, what you want to do, what you don't want to do. Until and unless you are not doing by yourself, we cannot do anything. Self motivation is more important and self study is more important in the present scenario. If you were here, we would have definitely forced you to do something. But now we are also forced by the present scenario. We cannot force you or we cannot tackle you. So it is my request to you, please take your studies seriously. आपको बोर्ड की एग्जाम्स देनी ही पड़ेगी. You can see government is conducting exams of final year students also, JEE students also, NEET students also. They had filed petition in the court. Okay, please award the exams and this, but government has not accepted their petition because it's a matter of 1 year of the student. It will be same with you. सो माइंड में मत रखो कि हो सकता है हमको 11th के जैसे पास कर देंगे. बेटा ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. कोरोना में ही हमने 12th स्टैंडर्ड के पेपर्स चेक किए हैं जो इस साल रिजल्ट आया है. सो इन शॉर्ट द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दैट डोंट अवॉइड योर स्टडीज. You have to take care of your studies and लर्न. पेपर सेम आएगा, आपको पेपर लिखना पड़ेगा. एक क्लास में 30 बच्चे बैठते हैं, उसकी जगह 15 को बिठाएंगे, और अगर 30 के 30 को भी बिठाएंगे तो कोई इश्यू नहीं है. देखेंगे कैसे क्या करेंगे. तब तक कोरोना की दवाई मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, वी डोंट नो, बट वी नो एंड आई नो exams will be taken at any cost. Your year will not be wasted. Those who are having mentality कि नहीं नहीं हम लोगों को 11th में जैसे धक्का लगा है, भगवान ने हमारा साथ दिया है, मैं पास हो गई हूँ या पास हो गया हूँ. आपको भी पता है अगर 11th के एग्जाम देते तो आप 11th में अटक जाते. जिन बच्चों को मैं मैसेज दे रही हूँ उनको भी समझ में आना चाहिए, और जो बच्चे मैसेज को ये ले रहे हैं कि मैं कर लूंगी कर लूंगा, मेरे लिए इजी है बेटा, जो टाइम चला जाता है वो वापस नहीं आता. आया समझ में. सो द चॉइस इज योर्स. आई कैन ओनली जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू कि go seriously with your studies. You don't have any choice कि मैं एग्जाम नहीं दूंगी. yes, choice is yours. These are I'm not going to give exam, but government is not going to let you leave कि बेटा एग्जाम नहीं देंगे, हम आपको 12th में पास कर देंगे. पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. Now coming to my topic, we have completed importance of management up till point 5th, that is effective organization, right? I have given you example of, if I remember, of Google and all that. Now let us come to the 6th point, coordination and cooperation. So first revise the first points. Okay, let us have revision. Increases in efficiency, assessment of efficiency, then motivation to employees, then effective planning, effective organization. Again, increase in efficiency. Efficiency is increased, so assessment of efficiency is to be done. Assessment of efficiency is done, so motivation to employees. All of this is satisfied, so it increases the effectiveness of planning. Effective planning is there, so effective organization is there. Now coordination and cooperation. So what is coordination and cooperation? There is a very thin line between coordination and cooperation. Coordination among employees can be maintained with the help of direction. Is it clear? Right. Employees' personal interest is integrated with the main objective of the business. The leader providing direction coordinates the function of the employee. See, underline this line. Employees, how coordination and cooperations are done. See, students. Employees' personal interest is integrated with the main objective of the business. Now, what would be the personal objective? Take example. I'm just giving you example. An employee is working in an organization. Take example. I had worked with the marketing company also before my as a when I was in college. Suppose at that time, if I would have continued with my job, I had joined as a trainee. Then I had completed as, or I had lived after being a team leader. Now, if I would have continued that job, my motive would not be that कि मैं continue करूँ as a team leader. मेरा motto होता manager बनने का, right? So if I want to become manager, so I have to fulfill certain tasks of the company. That was the what we say task given by our company to us. If you want to achieve this managerial post as a team leader, now we are team leader. I had 5 people under my team, so I need to work with them. Means management. What is management? Getting things done from other. I had to get things done from that 5 people. Then only I can be a manager now. If I am not able to handle that 5 people, how can I handle a team that is having around 20 or 30 or 40 people or a particular branch of the company? Right. So that is what they had done. My personal interest of growing as a manager is integrated with the main objective of business, increasing the sales target. Is it clear? Right. So employees' personal interest, my personal interest is I want to grow as a manager. And what is their business? To grow their business, sales increase karna. So both are integrated. So coordination and cooperation is that the leader providing direction, coordinate the function of the employee. So my team leader, who was the manager also, he has given me direction and coordinate the functions of the employees. Functions of the employees are coordinated, and I was not only in his team. There were many members, right? So many people were there. I was a part of his team, and I was having 5 people under me. In the same way, he was having another 7 to 8 people, and each team leader had 5 people or 6 people or 4 people or 2 people, जैसे जिसकी कंडीशन उतने लोगों को तो वो हमको कोऑर्डिनेट करने के लिए फंक्शन ऑफ द एम्प्लॉइज को कोऑर्डिनेट करते थे. आया समझ में? सो कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड कोऑपरेशन इज क्लियर. Functions of control. So first one was increase in efficiency. Then second is assessment of efficiency. Third one is motivation to the employees. Fourth one is increase in planning, efficiency in planning, effective planning. Sorry. Then fifth is effective organization. Effective organization had the result is because of cooperation and coordination. Function of control. Direction reduces the chances of work-related mistakes and errors. Right, because a leader is supervising self. So what happens? That directions removes the work-related mistakes and errors. Recently, you can see direction reduces the chances of work-related mistakes because if your direction is proper, so chances are there to reduce the mistakes. Right, therefore, it becomes easy to get work from employees as per decided target. Right, so targets can be achieved easily because that is getting direction easily. Thus, it makes controlling easy. 8. Increase in enthusiasm. Due to direction, there is a change in attitude of employees towards the work. Yes or no? The interest in work increases because of motivation. A director, as I said earlier, I had joined as a trainee, and within a month, I had completed achieved as a team leader. So that was the fastest thing done by a trainee as a team leader. So what was that? I was doing a great work. I would say rather than that, my director or my leader was very good in his work. He used to motivate me. No, you can do it. No, you can do it. Right. So what increases that increased my enthusiasm, and I was having in mind I don't have that much of time. कि मैं अगर if I'm not working properly, maybe I have to leave the job for my personal reasons. If I'm working properly, I'm growing, so my family will also allow me. So that was my interest. So on that, two targets were there. My interest was calculated by the first, my mentor. I can say mentor, director. So what happened? That attitude of employee towards the work also changes. Yes, I can do easily. It's a kind of good thing. So that increase my motivation. They can bring solution if any hurdle is created. Now what happens? When you go in any of the field, obviously you would have a lot of practical or theoretical knowledge. But when you are implementing it, at that time only you can use it. So if hurdle is there, they will help you out कि यहाँ पे खड्डा है, आपके टीम लीडर्स, आपके मेंटोर और आपका जो भी मैनेजर है या आपके सुपीरियर है, they will help you out because they had gone through that path. Is it clear? Take example, I am a Gujarat board student. I had passed board exams of Gujarat, or your siblings, they had passed Gujarat board exam. So they will say you, नहीं बेटा ऐसा नहीं लिखो, नहीं तो आपके marks कट हो सकते हैं. Your sibling would give you answer कि नहीं देखो ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे लिखोगे तो आपके मार्क्स कट हो जाएंगे, ऐसे लिखोगे तो आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे. Why he or she is able to give you guideline? Because he has gone through that path. So जो hurdle आ रहा है वो उसको remove कर सकते हैं, right? As a result, there is continuity in work which boosts up the employees' enthusiasm. Because of that, what happens? The continuity is in the work and which boosts the employees' enthusiasm. So first, again, I'm repeating. Repeat with me. Increase in efficiency. Efficiency is increased, so increase in assessment. Assessment is done, so motivation to the motivation to the employees. Employees are motivated. So effective planning. Effective planning is that is an effective organization. The result of effective organization is coordination and cooperation. Coordination and cooperations are there. So functions of control can be easily, and as all of the things of functions of control is there, so that increases the enthusiasm of the employees. Now finding out deviation. Control है तो deviation है. Always remember that. Now what is deviation? Again I am repeating, where there is control, there is deviation. Right. Now through direction it can be supervised that whether the functions are done as per decided or as per decided standards or not. What is deviation? Deviation means that only the work that you have decided. What suppose your target is 500 units. 500 units is your standard target, set target, and your control is your seeing it is achieved or not. And suppose you had achieved 490 only. 10 is your deviation. The difference of 10 units is a deviation for them, right? So undesirable so undesirable deviation can be regulated in the initial stage only by taking effective deviation steps. Deviation can be controlled. So the undesirable deviation, अगर जो deviation हमको नहीं चाहिए, can be regulated in the initial stage because of the control, right? By taking effective steps. Effective steps क्या है? Suppose you will find out why these 10 deviations are there. Maybe there was cut off of light. Maybe many of the employees were absent at the time of work, right? Maybe in the interval time they are taking more time. 30 minutes ka break hai and they are sitting idle for 1 hour. So that 30 minutes may be the wastage of your time. Whatever the reason is, that will be found out by you and the necessary steps will be taken. So here are the 9 important points of directive. First is effective increase in efficiency. Second is efficiency is increased, so increase in assessment. Assessment is done, so motivation to the employees. Employees are motivated to effective planning. Effective planning is done, so organization is working effective. So effective organization is there. The reason for effective organization working is cooperation and coordination. Cooperation and coordination are there, so there is but obvious control, and if control is there, so they know who has to work what and they are motivated. So increase in enthusiasm, and increase in enthusiasm is there, so that they will find out the deviation. 9 points of importance of directive. Now most important topic, because it comes in a 5-mark question. So up till this, characteristics and importance, and from this one question will definitely come. Now you can see the elements of directive. Students, it's an important question of 5 marks. Elements of directive. There are 4 elements. So if a question comes, what are the elements of directive? Explain them. So you have to do this. Supervision, motivation, leadership, communication. All of the elements are to be explained. But if they ask individual, so as we are going to learn, at that time I am going to explain you. So elements of directing, supervision, motivation, leadership, communication, SMLC. SMLC, supervision, motivation, लीडरशिप कम्युनिकेशन. सूरत का म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन का शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या है? SMC. सी के पहले एल लगा लो, राइट? SMLC, supervision, motivation, leadership, communication. The first one is supervision. To supervise the work done by the worker is supervision. What is supervision in the simple language? To supervise the work done by the worker is supervision. MCQ also and 1 mark question. Supervision function is most related with the internal function working of the business. Right? Supervision function is mostly related with the internal working of the business. So it's an internal work. Supervision function is required more at the bottom level. Where is required more? Required more at the bottom level. What point? These points will go in point system, no paragraph writing. So supervise meaning, to supervise the work done by the workers is supervision, right? And it is related with internal working of the business. It is required more at the bottom level. The one who does the observation of the work done by the workers and the foreman is called supervisor. Who is supervisor? That definition is different. What is supervision? That definition is different. The one who does the observation of the work done by the workers and foremen, because it is at bottom level, right, is called supervisor. Supervisor is responsible for the workers and foremen. The work of the workers and foremen. Who is responsible? Supervisor. He is the key person between top level management and the workers. Who is the key person between top level management and the workers? Obviously, supervisor. So this goes about supervisor. Supervision means to get assurance that the subordinates have implemented the work given to them as per orders and instructions or not. That is to be seen. And to get the assurance of maximum utilization of human and physical resources for the achievement of business objective. Is it clear? And to get assurance of the maximum utilization of human and physical resources of the achievement of business objective. Right? Meaning, in simple terms, supervision means to supervise the functions of employees. In other words, R.C. Davis says supervision is the function of assuring that the work is being done in accordance with the plan and instructions. Functions of supervisor. So, underline them. Okay. To plan the functions and remove the hurdles. When you are planning at that time, whatever the hurdles are coming, that are to be removed. So to plan functions and to remove the hurdles. First is to plan. See, I am underlining. You have to underline when you are writing the functions of supervisor. To provide necessary guidance and direction to complete the work on time. Necessary guidance and direction. जहाँ पे वो लोग अटक रहे हैं वहाँ पे उनको गाइडेंस देना है एंड डायरेक्शन कि नहीं आपको ऐसा करना है. To provide the employees constantly to save time and to supervise the employees constantly and to save time and labor. Say I had given you example, the deviation. Maybe the deviation because the employees are sitting idle for some time or they are having gossiping or all that, or right, or machinery is not working or whatever, their labor and time is not wasted. So constantly they have to supervise, right? Supervisors does the function of integration of employees that I had explained you well. Integration of employees' personal interest with the interest of company. That is productivity of the business, right? To motivate and encourage the employees to increase their efficiency. To motivate and encourage the employees to increase their efficiency, right? So first one was to plan, function, and to control. That is to remove hurdles, then to provide necessary guidance for completion of work on time. Third is to supervise employees constantly to save time and labor. Fourth is the function of integration of employees' interest to the general personal interest to the productivity of the business or to the interest of the company. To motivate and encourage the employees to increase their efficiency. Most important work of supervisor to maintain the feeling of oneness among the employees, to make communication more faster. Yes, communication work is the most important essence of any of the organization. So whatever any hurdles are there, they have to give information very quickly. Any instruction is to be passed, given by the top level or middle level management, they have to pass to them fast. So to make communication work faster, to give guidance regarding the use of new technology introduced in the business, to give whatever the new technology is introduced for that new guidance is to be given. To maintain discipline among the employees. Discipline is to be maintained, right? To maintain discipline among employees. Supervisor does not control but provide training. See, so this is an 3-mark question also in SUMA. Supervisor does not control, keep control, but provides training. Yes, because of training, whatever the issues are, that can be solved. Supervisor is a friend, philosopher, guide for the employees. This is a, I think, 2-mark or 3-mark question coming in your exam. Supervisor is a friend, philosopher, and guide for the employees. So, in this function of supervisors will only be there. So there are 11 functions of supervisors. I hope all of you are clear and it's easy for you to do, right? So till then, take care and bye-bye. But before that, I want to say to you, students, please start writing your work because if you lack in speed, you will lack a lot. Again, I am repeating, आप लिख के practice करिए, right? And I think I had given marks also of the last OC paper, right? So please do your work thoroughly. जो पढ़ रहे हैं उसको लिखिए. And before listening to my video, tomorrow I am going to take S complete हो गया तो I am going to take M. That is motivation. Motivation is again a very wide topic. So it will take time also, but go through it first. For me, I'm giving you just guidance. For me, one day just go through it and then listen to the videos. I hope it will help you a lot. I don't think it will not help you, it will help you a lot. So it is my request to all of you, go through the video after reading motivation. Is it clear? So any doubts are there, you can ask me personally, right? So start preparing for your first term. Maybe the first term would be conducted. How they are going to conduct, we don't know. But as you can see, every month the exams are going on. So you had given recently also 12th English exam also, accounts exam also, and eco exam also, right, of 25 marks. So I hope whatever the exams or the tests are given by you, at least that chapters are completed by you thoroughly. So in OC we had first and second chapter. So next time you would be having third, fourth or fifth, maybe. So start preparing them, right? And I hope all of you are learning. And as I said earlier, anyone has doubt can ask me. And please do underline like this in your answer. If the question comes, explain what are the elements of directing, explain supervision. So you will explain meaning of directing, elements of directing, chart बनाओगे, and then you are going to explain supervision. जो मैंने पॉइंट्स को अंडरलाइन किया उसको पॉइंट वाइज लिखोगे एंड फंक्शन ऑफ सुपरवाइजर एंड दिस वुड बी फाइनली योर कंक्लूजन. Hence, supervision is a function that removes the hurdles and gives the desired result, right? Or supervisor is a friend, philosopher, and guide for the employees. So till then, take care. Bye bye.